This is our human body. Let us have a quick recall. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Our body is made of a number of parts. They work together to help us to do our daily chores. Now, label the different parts of our body. Now, Nitya is going to help us to label the different parts of the body. Hair, eyes, ears, hand, chest, stomach, knee, ankle, toes, leg, eyebrow, chin, fingers, neck, nose. Very good, Nitya. You have done a great job. Each part of our body helps us in different ways. Legs help us to walk. Legs help us to kick. Legs help us to jog. Legs help us to dance. All of you dance along with Nitya, children. Very good. Legs help us to climb the stairs. Climb, climb, climb. Yes. Legs help us to hop. Legs also help us to skip. Skip, skip, skip. Skip to my loo, my darling. Legs help us to run, walk, climb, kick, jog, hop, dance. Legs help us to run, walk, climb, kick, jog, hop, dance. RUN run, WALK walk, CLIMB climb, KICK kick, JOG jog, HOP hop, DANCE dance. Now, hands. Hands help us to eat, hold, write, push, pull, lift the things, throw. Hands help us to eat. EAT, eat. Hands help us to hold the things. HOLD, hold. Hands help us to write. Hands help us to lift things. LIFT, lift. Lift. LIFT, lift. Hands help us to push objects or things. PUSH, push. PUSH, push. PUSH, push. Hands help us to pull the things. Pull. PULL, pull. PULL, pull. PULL, pull. Hands help us to throw things. Throw. THROW, throw. THROW, throw. Hands help us to lift things, push things, pull things, throw things. LIFT, lift. PUSH, push. PULL, pull. THROW, throw. Let us recall. Legs help us to walk, kick, climb, run, hop, jog, dance. Legs help us to walk, kick, jog, dance. Hands help us to eat, hold, write and lift things. We use our arms, shoulders and hands together to push, pull and throw things. We use hands to lift, push, pull, throw. Here is an activity for you children. Open page number 4 and complete this activity. Write 3 things you do using your arms and legs both. We use our shoulders and back to carry things. Shoulders and back. Nitya, can you show your shoulders?
Yes.
Back?
Yes.
Yes. Our back helps us to stand straight and to bend forward and backward. Our back helps us to stand straight. Our back helps us to bend forward. Our back helps us to bend backward. Our back helps us to stand, bend forward, bend backward. Our back helps us to stand, STAND, stand. Bend forward, BEND, bend. Forward, FORWARD, bend forward. BEND, bend. FORWARD, forward, bend forward. Our back helps us to bend backward. BEND, bend. BACK, back. WARD, ward, backward. Bend backward. Our knees help us to bend. Our knees, KNEES, knees. Our knees help us to bend. Nitya, can you show your knees?
Yes.
Very good. Our knees help us to squat. SQUAT, squat. SQUAT, squat. Our knees help us to kneel. KNEEL, kneel. Our knees help us to kneel. KNEEL, kneel. Our knees help us to bend. BEND, bend. Our knees help us to bend. BEND, bend. Squat. SQUAT, squat. SQUAT, squat. Our knees help us to kneel. KNEEL, kneel. Here K is silent, children. We are not pronouncing the letter K. K became silent here. KNEEL, kneel. Bend, squat, kneel. Our knees help us to bend, squat, kneel. Our neck helps us to turn our head side to side. S-I-D-E side, T-O-2, S-I-D-E side, side to side. Our neck helps us to turn our head side to side. Our neck helps us to turn our head side to side, side to side. Now children, open page number 5 and read these pictures. Our back helps us to stand straight and to bend forward and backward. Stand, bend forward, bend backward. Now what is the correct way to sit and stand? Nitya, can you show us how to sit in the correct position? Yes, this is the way you have to sit. The backbone should be straight, no bending. So you have to keep your backbone erect. Keep your backbone straight. If you keep your backbone straight, you will be able to work for a longer time. Nitya, can you show us how to stand in the correct position?
Yes.
Yes, this is the correct position of standing. Your back should be straight, shoulders should be straight. You should not bend your shoulders. You should not bend your shoulders. This is the wrong posture. The right posture is stand straight, keep your shoulders also straight, erect. Now children, open the lesson Human Body page number 3 and complete this activity. Label the different parts of Red Riding Hood's body. She is Red Riding Hood and you have to label the parts of the body. Children, learn these new words and write down in your notebook. Human body, draw the picture of human body and write new words and learn the spellings of these new words. Thank you Nitya for helping me in completing this human body concept. Thank you dear.